October 10th, 2025. That was the day $19 billion vanished in leveraged positions in under 4 hours. And most traders, they never saw it coming. Bitcoin was coasting at $121,000. Ethereum was climbing. Everyone was chest-puffed and bullish. Then boom! One tweet. President Trump slaps a 100% tariff on Chinese tech imports, and that was it. Market implosion. A single sentence from a phone screen sent the entire crypto market into a death spiral. Bitcoin nosedived to $104,000. Billions flushed. People lost lives, portfolios, hope. And while all that chaos unfolded, guess what every blown-out trader was staring at? Their trusty old RSI, their laggy-ass MACD, their slowpoke stochastic, all whispering sweet nothings after the market had already face-planted. But not us, not our people. CYMO Pro caught the structural shift before the first big red candle even closed. PureMO flagged the downside momentum with precision, the entry, exit, and profit. We didn't get blindsided, we hunted that crash. From cycle breakdown to trend extension, our tools mapped the whole damn thing before the herd even knew what hit them. While others were busy losing 6- or 7-figure amounts, our charts were showing the playbook in real time. And here's the part that stings. Someone made $88 million shorting Bitcoin minutes before that tweet dropped. Maybe it was luck, maybe it was something else. Doesn't matter. The point is, people won big that day. And you could have been one of them if you weren't still playing with antique indicators. Look, markets don't care how experienced you are. They care how prepared you are. And in a world where a single tweet can wipe out generational wealth, you better have tools that move faster than the news cycle. CYMO Pro and PureMO were built for moments like this. They're not just indicators, they're survival gear for modern traders. You get 7 days free. No excuses. Links below. Trade smart, trade first, or trade never. October 10th was the line in the sand. Most got wrecked. A few got rich. Which side will you be on next time?